How to change Instagram account to personal account 2023. It's an easy process, so let's start. So I will show you the simple process. So first of all, open your Instagram app and then go to the profile. After that, click to the three dot menu in the top right side and then click to the settings and privacy option. After that, you can see lots of options. Just click to the creator tools or controls, so click on that. After that, you can see in the last portion switch account type, so click on that. After that, you can see two options. First one is to switch to business account and second one is personal account, so click on that. After that, click to the switch to personal account. After a few minutes, your account will be switched to personal account. So that's the process. I can switch your account to public or business to personal account. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and amazing content. So hope this you subscribe our channel. So thank you.